Surgeon, a medical expert trained to perform surgeries. Amputate, to remove a limb or body part in a medical operation. Nerve, a thread or group of threads that carries messages from the brain to parts of the body. Sensor, a device that measures or reacts to heat, movement, light, etc. Implant, something that is put into the body, usually via surgery. Artificial, made by people rather than being natural. Man can move every finger on new bionic arm. A man who lost his left arm in an accident can now move every finger on a new bionic hand, thanks to a research team of surgeons and engineers in Sweden. The man, referred to as Tony, can now use the hand to hold objects, pour a glass of water, and even use a screwdriver. Previously, such technology was only successful when an arm was amputated below the elbow, because the muscles in the lower arm are needed to control the bionic hand. When a person moves these muscles, electrical signals are created that can be used to tell the bionic hand what to do. However, if an arm is amputated above the elbow, there are typically not enough muscles left to send these signals. Now, the Swedish research team has shown that it is possible to divide the nerves in the upper arm and connect them to different muscles. This increases the number of signals that can be sent to control a bionic hand. Details of the research team's findings were recently published in Science Translational Medicine. In surgery, sensors were implanted into Tony's upper arm to receive control signals, and these were then connected to the electronic system of the bionic arm. When Tony uses the arm, AI translates the control signals sent by the sensors. The bionic arm was also directly connected to the bone of Tony's upper arm with a metal implant. This makes it more comfortable and easier to use than traditional artificial arms. After the surgery, Tony learned to use his new arm quickly and easily. According to the researchers, he has been using it for a variety of daily activities for the past 3 years. The researchers said that this is the first time someone who has lost their arm above the elbow has been able to control the individual fingers of a bionic hand.